Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I have a fun project tonight. It'll be rather quick. Go grab something to drink, cool or warm or alcoholic or non-alcoholic or whatever, and get comfy. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to be using this drop-in frame that I did over the last couple weeks. On one side it has Sunshine State of Mind, and on the other side it has the Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. I'm excited to be with everyone tonight. I want to give a special shout out and welcome to everyone who has joined my Perks group. Thanks and welcome. So we're going to get started with this, and what I'm going to do is create another image for this frame, and this drop-in box frame has little inserts that come out. They're kind of like cardboard coated with our chalk suede, so technically they're paper. And they have these little, that comes with 3 inserts, and you could purchase additional inserts. So you could swap out the design anytime you're so inclined. Change it up for the seasons, change it up for the holidays, whatever you really want to do. And actually it'll store 3 of these little chalk suede sheets in it, so you have a place to store them and then take them out when you want to use them. So let me get my frame out of the way here and we'll get started. I'm a little pressed on room tonight. No, let's see. Okay, that'll work. And I just want to put this on the side and this one. So the thing about using chalk suede, and like I said, it's kind of like on cardboard, but it has a real nice feel to it. It feels like suede, actually. That's why it's called the chalk suede. And if you make a little oops, if you catch it real quick, you could probably erase it with a little bit of water. It's not intended to have you chalk it and then remove all the paste later and reuse it, but if you make a little mistake and you catch it quick, you could probably erase it, because chalk on paper, porous like wood, it's going to absorb the pigment. So the thing that you want to do whenever you're using chalk suede is you want to fuzz quite a bit. Some people wax it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm not going to wax tonight. I think this is going to be a pretty quick project where the transfer won't be sitting on it for a long time, so I don't think I need to wax it. If it's something that's going to be rather intricate and many different colors, then I probably would wax it. But this is going to be pretty quick. One side I'm going to have Kiss the Cook. The other side I'm going to have Food, Family, and Friends, right? Isn't this perfect for a kitchen or a dining room? And wouldn't this make a nice gift? A homemade gift? How about that, right? So I'm going to start off with Kiss the Cook. Just going to take it off its little backer sheet. If you are not familiar with our transfers, think of them as stencils on steroids. The teal portion is made out of vinyl, and what you're seeing through is silkscreen. And that silkscreen gives us this real high definition to our projects. And I'm just dropping things off the table left and right. So I'm going to fuzz it, and all that fuzzing means is that I'm going to deliberately apply a little bit of lint to the back of the transfer, because our transfers are adhesive backed. And especially being that this is on chalk suede, I want to apply a little bit more lint than I normally would. I generally like fuzz maybe 3 or 4 times if I'm doing it on wood. If I'm doing it, if I'm going to be applying my transfer to chalk suede or glass or mirror or metal, I might fuzz 10 or 12 times. It really depends how sticky my transfer is, and this one's pretty sticky, as you can see, because I don't want it to be difficult to lift off of the surface. So think about this as adhesive going on a kind of a paper, so I want to fuzz it quite a bit. And this one is really, really sticky. And by the way, this transfer has been around for a while. It is currently on the website, on my website, in the specials category. which means it's greatly reduced. And it's a B size transfer. 8.5 by 11 inch transfers are B size, and our A and our B transfers, A's are smaller, are currently shipping for free. You buy the transfer, we pay the shipping. How's that for a deal? Sorry, that's probably my delivery that I've been waiting all day for. I've been getting updates, and it's actually something. It's something for my dog's bed, and they've changed the delivery time like 3 or 4 times. They keep pushing it out later and later. So hopefully she'll have it for tonight, my poor little baby. Got to make her comfortable and keep her cool, right? So I fuzz this quite a bit, and I'm going to apply it to my surface. And I just want to line it up. I'm just making sure that my margins on the left and the right are pretty close to equal, and I guess I missed that. Let me try lining it up this way. I'm sitting in a chair that's lower than usual, and I realize it's not that much lower, but it really kind of bothers me. I feel like I'm sitting on the floor. And it's a little warm in here, so my hands are a little warm and sticky. Okay. I'm going to smooth it down, just make sure I don't have any air bubbles under any of the silkscreen. And then I'm going to jump right in on this. I'm going to use our nominee paste, which is a gold, to do the little rolling pin here. And then I'm going to use, I think Napa, a red, for the rest of it. I just want to make sure I get all the silkscreen covered. I didn't pick up enough here. I've got more paste on the back of my squeegee than on the front. Let me just fix that a little bit. Make sure I get good coverage there. Okay. And then here's my Napa. Kind of like a purplish red, right? But you could use, obviously, any colors that you want. I just wanted to do the Kiss the Cook definitely in a red. Oops. And this is taking me a little bit longer than I anticipated, so I'm going to use the paste and peel method and peel this up so it's not sitting on here too long. Smooth it out, remove any lines, any excess paste. I'm going to lift this up now. And of course you could use this transfer on any surface that you want. You don't have to use it on the chalk slate. Oh, let's take a look at that little rolling pin. Doesn't that look good? And this is deliberately distressed, so you see like it's actually distressed because the transfer is distressed. So paste and peel means pick it up, lift it. I keep it attached. I don't totally lift it off the surface. Just lift it off for a moment or two and then just let it flop back on. You don't have to press it down because basically I want to go on to chalking the next part. This way it's not drying. The chalk paste is not drying in the silk screen. When it's warm or I have a fan actually blowing across the table, the paste will dry a little bit quicker, because it is made from chalk. It's chalk paste, not chalk paint. Totally different animal. Okay, time for peel and reveal. Let's check this out. What do you think? Wasn't that quick and easy? Now I've got my little drying tool over here, and I'm going to use it so that I don't have to wait, because I'm going to chalk the friends and family on the other side. So let me quickly dry this. so then I could flip it over and chalk the other side. Quick, easy project for a Friday, right? Now, right now, the drop-in frame is also on sale under the in the specials, which is really cool. And remember, Perks members get a discount. This is really more focused here. It's a little warm, but not really hot. And I just want to move it around, dry it. Now, my nominee takes a little bit longer to dry because it is that metallic. And any of our shimmers or the metallics take a little bit longer to dry than our regular chalk paste. And like I said, this is chalk paste, not chalk paint. You could use 3 different mediums with our transfers. You could use our chalk paste, which was specially developed to work with our silkscreen transfers. It is not chalk paste, not chalk paint. Chalk paint would be too liquidy. Or you could use ink if you're going to you want to put an image on something that's going to be washed, like a shirt or a mug or whatever, then you use our ink and you heat set it to make it permanent. And then you can use our glass etching, armor etch, to actually etch glass with the image of our transfers. Okay, this is dry. So let me get my other transfer, the Food, Family, and Friends. And I want to fuzz this up and then do the back side of this. Little avalanche here. Good thing that's dry, right? Okay. So again, I'm just fuzzing it really quickly. And it's real easy to clean our transfers. They're reusable over and over and over again. Basically, just run it over to the sink, run it under water. If your transfer sticks to itself, be patient and just gently kind of pry it or nudge it apart. You don't want to pull or tug because it is silk screen and you don't want to distort it. So there's a little bit of care there. But basically use your fingers to get the paste off, or you could use one of our board erasers and get all the paste off, or massage the paste off with the water, or use like the little spray. And then I like to finish it up with a disinfecting wipe. I do the front and then I do the back, and when I do the back, I remove all the lint using the disinfecting wipe, just kind of pushing it in one direction to pull the lint off. And that renews the stickiness for the next time I use it. When you're done with that, you lay it down sticky side up until it's dry, and when it's dry, you put it back on its little backer sheet. Not a lot really to do with the care. It's pretty easy to take care of them. Pretty easy, as you can see, to actually use them too, right? If you'd like to be privy to more inspiration, creative ideas, more crafty goodness, and insider info, comment VIP and I will send you the link to my VIP group, my free VIP group. Okay, I think I fuzzed that enough. Let's flip this over and get started with the other side. And make sure I don't have any chalk paste on my surface. I want to make sure that I'm doing them both in the same direction. And on this one, I think I'm going to use the same color red for everything other than the word and. I think I'm going to use the word and in the gold, so it kind of coordinates with the other side. Smooth it down. There we go. Just covering up the word and those two little dots. Boy, I grabbed too much paste there, didn't I? But that's okay. I could smooth it out and put the excess back in the jar. Or actually use it for the other side. If I'm really quick with this, I won't have to do the paste and peel. And I think I could be quick enough. You want to make sure you get the tops of your letters and the bottom of your letters. Sometimes I miss them if I don't have really good lighting. If you do miss part or you make a little mistake, just clean your transfer, dry it, put it back down, and redo the area that you missed. It's as simple as that. Okay, peel and reveal time. Oops, if I can get my finger underneath it to lift it up. Oh, funny. Woo! Look at that. Seriously. We're just in over a little bit over 15 minutes and we have 2 images done. Okay, I'm going to dry this so I don't smudge it or anything and then put it in the frame and show you what it looks like. Don't forget to take advantage of the free shipping. A and B size transfers ship for free. We pay the shipping up through the 28th of May. Now, wasn't that simple and easy? This is the frame. It's substantial. It's heavy. I mean, it's solid. Okay, it's whitewashed. You could paint it. I have painted some of them. So paint them whatever color you want. And obviously it's open on both sides. So all you need to do is drop it in the frame. And set it maybe on your kitchen island. Or if you have like, what's it called? A buffet. Put it on the buffet. But isn't this adorable? Food, family, and friends. And kiss the cook. And wouldn't this make an adorable gift for somebody you love? What do you think of those colors? Obviously, you could use whatever color you want. The transfer is called Kiss the Cook. It's in our special section right now. And remember, Perks members get a discount, a 30% discount. Thank you so much for watching. I surely do appreciate it. I hope everybody has an absolutely wonderful Memorial weekend. I will see you soon.